No, absolutely. I think there's a lot of opportunity to apply NMR analysis throughout the cycle of research and development as it relates to lithium-ion batteries. If you look at, from the get-go, we're starting to design new materials. We're trying to understand how those materials react both mechanically and electrochemically inside the battery cell system once operating. These fundamental studies, NMR can be very helpful for on a floor standing level, because we know what we're putting into the system in terms of reactants. We have quite a few destructive techniques such as XRD, SEM-EDS, and those sorts of things to study what happened after the battery was cycled. But operando, in situ measurements, and more importantly, studying those reactions in real time, both the soluble and insoluble products, that's very valuable information, and I think that's something that NMR is very useful for. When you start to narrow your chemistries, ultimately, then you have to start thinking about manufacturing. And when you scale up manufacturing, you're not necessarily looking for fundamental reaction mechanisms, but you're looking for tracers of, is this co-block polymer long enough and cross-linked the proper way? Is this lithium-containing compound at the right concentration and right distribution in this matrix? And as we transition over from fundamental materials development towards implementing new materials in prototype and pilot lines, benchtop systems equipped with lithium NMR could be a great way to fast track those sorts of developments.